Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone Bluetooth issues are not working after iOS 17 beta update. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, turn off and turn on Bluetooth device. So for this, go to settings, tap on Bluetooth, tap on turn this off and turn it on again. And then after this, the next solution is update your Bluetooth accessory. So guys, if you have connected any Bluetooth speaker or something, so update your Bluetooth accessory. And then after this, the next solution is forget the device and pair it again. So for this, go to settings, tap on Bluetooth. So tap on the Bluetooth device and forget this device and connect this again on the other devices here. And then after this, the next solution is hard reset your iPhone and iPad. So guys, for the hard reset iPhone, tap on volume button up button and volume down button, and then tap and hold on the power button, volume up, volume down, and tap and hold on the power button. So wait for it, wait for 15 seconds. So here it is. So wait for the hard reset your iPhone. Open the lock screen, and then after this, the next and the last solution is reset your network settings. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then tap on reset network settings. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.